Howdy and welcome to the 8th episode. I'm using a laser guide for the lower load bearing. Cutting in half a 2x4 pine. Temporarily fixing the lower load bearing to the studs. Pre-drilling every 16 inch to the studs, then countersinking and using leg bolts with washer. Same on the other half. I've measured and marked the distance at the end and matched it to the beginning, then ran a laser line through it as a guide. This piece of pine will be the top supporter and will be connected every 16 inches to the joists. I'm using this helper to mark the same distance from the joists. I need some distance since I've already used the joist location to attach the top supporter. Now that the locations are marked, I'm simply attaching the side and bottom supporters. Again, pre-drill, countersink, and drive the leg screw. That's the leg screw and the washer. Serious load testing. Finally, placing pine boards and using screws to hold them in place. Time taken, around 2 days. Price for the materials, around $200. Price for tools and materials, around $1,300. Thanks for watching.